Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials, where we simplify tech for you, one video at a time. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download xTwitter videos without installing anything, and of course, completely free. Let's get right into it. Start by opening xTwitter in your browser. Find the tweet that has the video you want to download. Click the Share button, then choose Copy Link. That's all you need. Now, open a new tab and go to ttw.down.net. This is one of the most reliable sites to download xTwitter videos fast without login. Wait for the page to load. You'll see a box that says Enter Twitter Video Link. Paste the tweet link you just copied, then click the download button. Give it a second to process. You'll see different video quality options, like 720p, 480p, and even MP3 if you want just the audio. Click Download next to the quality you want, and just like that, your video will start downloading instantly. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder, and boom, your Twitter video is saved, no login required, no watermark, and high quality. That's how easy it is to download Twitter videos using nothing but your browser. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.